This week in the Tip Laboratory, we want to talk about how to build shock absorbers. Either you lose one in the kit or you need a special one for, let me say, make a monster truck and you need larger ones. Or you simply just want to make them look a little bit more realistic. All what we're gonna need for that is some rod, a tube, and a little bit of patience. What we're gonna do is first we cut our tube in 3 pieces. Maybe zoom in a little bit. So we have a large one and then 2 smaller ones. We cut ourselves a piece of rod which should have about the length of the rod. And now what we're gonna do, we glue one of the small parts on here and the other one is going here. And then after painting you come up with something like this. And all that you have to do now is put those 2 together and you got yourself a shock absorber. The good thing is now you can adjust the length. You know, if you wanna have your car lower or higher, whatever. And yeah, it's very simple to make. Maybe you wanna try it out. And this is the tip of this week. There you go.